Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are doing another unboxing for the Crazy Cat Lady box. This box is for the month of November, so I didn't have to pay any extra fees for customs and everything this month, so I'm super happy. I don't know what happened last time, so the cats are super active today, so I hope they're gonna want to play. So this is the little card. It's a cat in a sink. Super cute. So again, all the items are here with the prices, so I'm not gonna read that. This is what's in the box. So the first thing, what is that? So I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's a candlestick. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess there's a little bit of feathers here. It's kind of weird, but I'm sure the cats are going to like this. I don't know what is the theme. What is the theme? You want the candle? You want the candle? Okay, so let's continue. So the candlestick, catnip candlestick was real candles are a no-no, but this catnip candle is perfect to heat up playtime. It's $7. So let's see the next one. What is that? I don't know. Is it like a bean or something? Green bean. Okay. So sometimes their toys are really cute. Sometimes they are so original that you're like, what the hell is that? So this is a green bean. So this is super cute. So let's continue. The cats are playing with the toys right now. So, oh, there's another one. Wait, what? I have two green beans. I don't think it was supposed to be. That is so weird. Oh, Nico is playing with the green bean. Okay, so I have two, but I don't think I was supposed to get two. So anyway, it says it's not green bean casserole, but your cats will love this handmade little bean, $7. So yeah, I have two. So this is neat. Since I have two cats, it's perfect. So they're gonna be able to play with this. I don't know if you saw that, but Alice just threw the bean across the room. So, okay. So the next thing, I'm gonna do this one first. It's a cat pot holder. It's super cute. I'm super happy to have this because I do use a lot of these. Oh, it's so cool. It's two. it's two. Oh, wow. That is so neat. What do they say? Cat pot holders protect. She wants it. Okay, so cat pot holders protect your people paws with these cute pot holders. It's $16. Oh, I love these. I use this a lot, like just to get stuff out of the microwave or my little oven. So that's perfect, and it's super cute. It's like a rack with cat ears. Oh, I really like this. I really do. There's a little bit of I'm searching. Oh, Alice is playing with the camera. Alice, what are you doing? Stop it. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So there's this thread that is coming out. I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna have to cut this, but either way, it's really cute, really nice. I would not have paid $16 for this, but I'm happy to have it. So let's continue. Let's see the next thing. So it seems like a soap dispenser. Yes, cat soap dispenser. Let's see. I hope it's not broken. Oh, that's cute. Mine is getting rusty like here because this is metal. So I'm happy to have another one. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is super cute. Oh. This is so cute. Oh my god. This is $19. This is a cat soap dispenser used for soap or lotion. Oh, really? You can put lotion? And make your decor more catastic. Oh, I didn't know you could put lotion in these, so. This is super cute. So, I think the last thing I have is a t-shirt. So it's like a brown with some orange in it. So the color is very interesting. It's not a color that I usually pick. It says cats. Oh, cats above people. So it's a v-neck. Oh yeah, I love v-necks. This is really, really soft again. I really love the color. I think with jeans it's gonna be very pretty. Like with blue, I think it's gonna be very, very pretty. Cats above people. I love this. Okay, so the t-shirt was $23. It says, perfect for when you'd rather hang out with cats than people. Oh, yay! This was a great box. I'm super happy. So there's a little card here. It says Maui Holidays. The next box is the annual holiday box. and it says our annual Maui Holidays box is one of our most popular boxes every year, and it's the next box. We can't wait to send this one. So the next box is gonna be the one for Christmas, and I can't wait either. So this box was really great. I'm super happy about everything. The fact that I had 2 green beans is super cute. I think it was a mistake, but you know, like I said, since I have 2 cats, it's gonna be perfect. So now what I do, you want a can? So now what I will do is I'm gonna go play with the cats, show them a little bit the green beans and the candlestick, and I'll film them so you can see them throwing it in the air and everything. I hope you have a great day. Take care of yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.